My name is Desragh Singh, and I'm the inventor, creator, and designer of the VertiRaptor Flying Car. Our mission at Dynamic Innovation UAM, Urban Air Mobility, is to provide a new form of transportation, one that's fun, one that's economical. It's called the VertiRaptor. It's a new kind of flying car. It'll free us up from the congestions of our roads and freeways. It'll have a payload capacity of 1,000 pounds, meaning you can have one pilot and 4 passengers weighing no more than 200 pounds each, or one pilot and 3 passengers weighing no more than 250 pounds each. You can park it in your garage or your driveway, and at the push of a button, it will transform from a car into an EVTOL, an electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle. It'll take off like a helicopter and land the same way. It's basically a giant drone that you sit in, but a giant luxury drone. You can drive it off-road. It can be used by the government as an air ambulance, firefighting, search and rescue, fighting forest fires, for the military, insertion and extraction. It's self-charging, either while driving or in flight, which means it'll have an almost unlimited range. We plan to create a new air taxi service, as well as to sell our vehicle not only to the military and the city governments, but also to private individuals for personal use and recreational use. We have a dedicated team of professionals working very, very hard to make the VertiRaptor a reality, to take it from a 1/3 scale working prototype to a full-scale working prototype. And we need to hire more people, more staff to help us do that. We need a place to do it. We need materials and tools. And the only way we can do that is with money. And that's where you come in. That's where we need your help. Go to our Patreon and donate. Or visit our website at www.ADIUAM.com to see more about what it is we're doing. We can only do this together to reduce our carbon footprint and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Let's keep our planet green. Let's do it as a team.